Welcome to our tutorial on Power BI dashboards, and today we will show you how to create a stunning dashboard using the animated background in your Power BI reports. We'll use this dataset in our dashboard today. It consists of 4 columns. First column is the month of sales. Second column is the name of the branch. There are 4 branches: east, west, north and south. Then there is sales and profit values. To import this data into Power BI, the process is simple. We will open the Power BI Desktop and click on the blank report. Now we will click on the Excel workbook and open this sales.xlsx file. In the navigator window, we will select the table that we want to import, and if we do not want to make any changes to the data, we will simply click on the load button. This will load the data into the Power BI desktop, and the table along with its columns will be available in the data pane. We can also view this data in Power BI by going to the table view. We will use the report view to design our dashboard. So as usual, first we will add a text box at the top of the screen, and in this text box we will add a title of our dashboard. Let's call it monthly sales report. Now we will adjust its font size to, let's say, 36 and make it bold. We can also go to the effects and turn on visual borders, and let's also make the background 50% transparent. Now we can add some charts. So first let's add a line and cluster column chart to our report and place it here. We will display monthly sales and profits inside this chart. So we will add the sales field to the column y-axis and the profit field to the line y-axis, and we will add the month field to the x-axis. And just like the text box, we will go to the effects and turn on visual borders for this chart as well. In the next chart, we will show the branch wise sales. So we will add a pie chart, or we can use a donut chart as well, and we will add the branch field to the legend area and the sales field to values. And again we will go to the effects and turn on visual borders. We can make a copy of this chart and place it here, and simply remove the sales field and replace it with the profit field to display branch wise profits on a donut chart. The dashboard is now somewhat complete. This is a very simple dashboard, and the objective of this dashboard is to show how to create an animated background in a Power BI report or dashboard. So our next step will be to download a visual, and this visual is called HTML content. Let's download this visual and add it to our report. The import is successful and the visual is now available here. Now we will add this visual to our dashboard and place it covering the entire page. Then we will go to the format and send this visual to back. This visual displays HTML content, which means we can play CSS animations on this visual, and we can find a lot of CSS backgrounds on the web. You can use any of the CSS based backgrounds and use them in your Power BI dashboard. Today we have chosen one of them, and this is the one, and by clicking here we can access its code, and we will copy this code into a text file which we will use in our Power BI dashboard. So let's open the notepad and type HTML. These are HTML tags which are used to construct a web page. Then we will create a body element and a head. The CSS code is placed between the head tag, and the HTML code is placed between the body tag. So let's copy the CSS code and add a style tag as well, and inside this style tag let's paste the CSS code. Now let's go ahead and copy the HTML code as well and paste it here. Now our HTML code is complete. We can copy the entire page and go to the Power BI dashboard. Here we will click on the enter data, and we don't have to change anything else, just we will paste our HTML code here and click on the load button. This will create a table with column 1, and let's select the HTML content visual and add the column 1 to the values, and that's it. The animated background has been added. Now to make it more visually appealing, let's go to the effects and change the transparency to 50% or whatever you like. Now our dashboard is complete with animated background, and it is entirely up to you, up to your imagination, how you utilize this trick and get the most out of it. Now let's save this report to our computer And now let's upload this dashboard to the Power BI online service. So let's go to the my workplace and click on the import from this computer and select the dashboard. It will take some time to upload this dashboard, and here it is. Let's open this report. And there you go. The animation works online as well. So when you will share this report to your colleagues or outside your organization, the animation in the background will work as well, and you can impress other people with your dashboarding skills. So with this we end our tutorial, and we hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.